In this video, I'm going to show you how to add organization schema to your WordPress website. Welcome to All-in-One SEO. We make SEO easy with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Let's get started. So what is organization schema and why should you be concerned about it? Well, let's go ahead and do a quick Google search here for Microsoft. We've got the listing for Microsoft, including a bunch of links below and a search box. But if you notice over on the right-hand side here, we have this information panel all about Microsoft, and that information is being pulled in from organization schema. Now, it's worth noting that you can't force Google to display anything here just because you use organization schema, but it's highly unlikely that anything will appear here if you don't use organization schema. So by having org schema on your website, if someone is performing a search for your particular company or brand, you can have a much better chance of having something show up here, taking up that much more real estate in the search results. The hard way to create organization schema is to hand code it yourself or hire a developer to do it. The easy way is to use a plugin like All-in-One SEO that can take simple information about your organization that you input into a form, turn it into properly formatted schema code. So the first thing we're going to do is install the All-in-One SEO plugin. If you already have AIO SEO installed, you can skip ahead to the next part of the video using the timestamps below. So let's go ahead and click on Plugins, and then click on the button that says Add New. If you haven't done so already, we're going to want to download the plugin from AIOSEO.com. You're going to go to the Account section, into your Download area, and click the big green button that says Download AIO SEO. And if you don't have an account already, you should be able to create one pretty easily. So back on the plugins page of your WordPress website, we're going to go ahead and click the Upload Plugin button, and then click Choose File, and choose the plugin file that you just downloaded. And then click the Install Now button. After the plugin installs, click the blue button that says Activate Plugin. After the plugin installs and is activated, the AIO SEO Setup Wizard will pop up automatically. We have another video that walks you through these steps, and I highly encourage you to go through that wizard because it will just set up your whole website for success as far as your SEO efforts go. But for now, we're going to head back to the dashboard. And then if you scroll on down the page and click the link, there's a space for us to enter our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. Back on our AIO SEO account, which you can find at aioseo.com/account, make sure you're on the Downloads tab, and then next to where it says License Key, if you click on the icon, it will copy out our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. And then we're going to paste the license key into the license key field, click Connect, and that's it. All-in-One SEO Pro is activated on this website. If you want to be doubly sure, you can go ahead and click the blue Save Changes button. Then we're going to scroll up and click on the dashboard link, just so we're all on the same page. So now that you've got All-in-One SEO installed, I want to show you the two different places that All-in-One SEO adds schema to your content, because the organization schema, we add that in a different place than we do other schemas. So let's click on the All Posts section first. And then I'm just going to open up this post here called Men's Basketball Shoes. And if we scroll down below the content of this post, there's a bunch of tabs here under the All-in-One SEO settings, General, Social, Schema. Number 3, that's the tab we want. And this is where we would generate schema for a specific page or post. So if I click that Generate Schema button, we have all kinds of schema templates included in All-in-One SEO's schema generator, including article schema, that's the default, course schema, FAQ schema. If you are a company with a job posting, you can use our job posting schema, and these all work the same way. There's a form here that you fill out with information about whatever the different type of schema is. It's a job posting, you fill out information about the job. We even have car schema, so if you were a car dealership selling a car, you could fill out information about that car, and then you would add the schema to your page. I'm just going to go back to the schema catalog because I don't want to add any schema to this page. Yes, I want to leave the page. So this is where we add schema to specific pages or posts. This is where most of your schema generation occurs. The organization schema is for your website overall, so it's going to be on the home page, so that gets added in a different location. Let's click my site logo here to get back to the All Posts section, and then let's go ahead and hover over that All-in-One SEO menu and click on the link that says search appearance. The search appearance is where we set up how our website's homepage is going to appear in search. Here's a preview of how that homepage is going to appear. And the section underneath here is where we choose the separator characters. You can see it's this vertical bar, but if I choose different separator characters, that changes in the preview section above. We have another video on this website that goes through how to set up the SEO of your homepage. You should see a link popping up to that video right about now. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to scroll past most of this stuff until we get to the section that says Knowledge Graph. So Knowledge Graph is where we input the information that we want to show up in that Google panel that has information about our organization, like we saw in that Microsoft example earlier. The first thing is the website name. My website is called Demo Site. We could give it an alternate name as well. And then we decide if it's a person or organization. So if you're a blog, you're probably going to want to pick person, or if you are a publicly known celebrity or famous person, or you have a page about a famous person, you could do that here. If you're an organization, click organization. We have the organization name. So again, this is called AIO SEO Demo Site, but if this was Microsoft, we'd have Microsoft's official company name. Description of the organization. I'm just using the tagline from my website, but you could also add in emoji, or you could wipe this out completely and type in your own custom description. An email address for your organization, a phone number for your organization, when you were founded, how many employees you have. You can also have a range. You can say we have between 100 and 500 employees, for example. You can upload your organization's logo, or you can select an image from your library. I have my logo here somewhere, so I'm going to add my logo for my organization. And then if this is a local business, you can configure All-in-One SEO's a local SEO add-on and have information about your local spot. But since this is just a demo site, we're going to assume this is an online-only business, and I'm not going to have a local address. If you also were a business that had a local presence, but you don't want that appear on your website for some reason, you certainly don't have to configure local SEO and use that. All of these fields are optional. The more information you put in here, the more information has the potential to show up in that knowledge panel in Google. When you're done filling out all of that information, go ahead and click the big blue Save Changes button. And what's going to happen is All-in-One SEO is going to take the information that you filled out in those fields and create properly formatted organization schema so that you have the best opportunity of scoring a rich result in Google search results, taking up more real estate in the search results, and driving more traffic to your website. So that's how to add organization schema to your WordPress website. If you don't already have our awesome All-in-One SEO plugin installed, we've got a link to it in the description below this video. It can help you out with the task in this video, as well as many other SEO jobs that you might have to do on your WordPress website. If you click on this next video right here, I'll show you how to edit a robots.txt file. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use our easy and powerful WordPress SEO plugin, All-in-One SEO.